Hi there, welcome to TAMs Studios. My name is Santos Fandari and I'm a technical account manager based out of Sydney. Today's feature review is on SSO integration management via SAML Metadata files. This feature was released on 11th of August 2025. If you're interested to know more, please follow along. Administrators can now upload a SAML metadata file to create or update single sign-on integrations. This enhancement simplifies the SSO setup process by using a single configuration file provided by most identity providers, rather than requiring manual entry of individual fields and certificates. This change helps reduce configuration errors, saves time during the setup, and also it makes ongoing maintenance more efficient. SAML metadata files contain all the required details to populate the integration form, allowing administrator to manage SSO connection more easily, especially as organizations scale up the number of SSO integration. You'll need one of the licenses shown on the screen for this feature to work. So how does this work? Let's have a look on the demo environment. So the process is very simple. First, you'll need to create a configuration in SSO provider and then export from there and import the same in Genesys Cloud. Okay, so here in my screen on the left hand side, I have Genesys Cloud integration page open, and on the right hand side, I have Azure single sign-on page open. So on the right hand side, you can see there's already settings done. So what we need to do is now we need to export the XML file. So basically, if I just download that, and I can just import it right here in the Genesys Cloud. So if I just select metadata to import, I'll just select the new one. So this way it will fill up every single information inside these integrations. Previously we had to manually type it. Now what we need to do is we just need to give a name. So let's say I'll just say Azure, provider name will be intra ID. And after we do that, what we also need to do is save this. And once we save it, we can download this metadata file. And we import this metadata file right here in the Azure as well. Okay, so it's uploaded, you can see it, and we'll just save that. You see we have exported metadata from Azure and imported in Genesys, and also after saving in Genesys, we exported the metadata from Genesys to Azure. So the change in this new update is we can now import the metadata file in Genesys Cloud. So you saw that we just uploaded it, it imported all the issuer URI, single sign-on URI, and then even the certificate. So previously we had to upload each of them manually and also type all these things manually. So now it's time to actually test it. So what I will do now is just log out from here. So make sure it's saved. Yeah, it's saved. I'll just log out from here and select Azure. And yeah, I'll select this email address, not that one, this one. And now you can see it's about to authenticate. Perfect. So now it's authenticated and this is a new user. It's a Santos AJ admin. In this video, I just showed you how you can upload the metadata file in Genesys Cloud, which fills all the necessary information for SSO. So this was the feature that was just released in 11th of August. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at tamstudios@genesys.com. Thanks, and see you in the next one.